If let's say at there is a point already that I feel like I want to quit my job na. And then I want to do full-time trading. Okay lang ba yun?
O
Or
naman.
when would I know na okay na ako?
Oh, again, it's okay to be a full-time trader. It's okay also to combine both. Hi guys, we're here in Singapore. As what we always do, we always interview people, but this time, what we're gonna do, instead of me doing the interview, we have one of our attendees also asking us questions. So I guess we're gonna do a lot of this over the next few months also, so that if ever you have more questions, you can also, I guess, learn from it as well. So we have Menchi, yes, who's also single and ready to mingle.
Yun pala yun.
Very important, very important, di ba? That that hindi lang tayo about investing, pati dapat complete. What's your question?
No, my question is, what's your suggestion for those employees right now who are very busy at work, meaning office job, and then they want to do trading?
Remember our lesson kanina that you can tweak yung technicals also based on your lifestyle. Meaning, yung moving average, hahabaan ko. Instead of me trading aggressively, I'll trade conservatively waiting for confirmation, or I will use longer trend line. So, pwede siya. There's so many ways on how you can adjust yung trading mo based on your lifestyle also.
Okay.
Yun, tsaka I've seen it I've seen people na flight attendant, na yun mas mahirap pa yun. Kasi kahit gusto nila mag-trade, pag nasa lipad sila, they really can't buy and sell kasi walang internet connection. So, pero in spite of that, nakapag-trade pa rin sila. So, there's so many ways. What you can do is just find something based on technicals and fundamentals na fit sa amount of time that you can actually put sa market.
Okay.
Yun.
Okay. And one more.
Okay lang guys, tsaka sobrang yaman ito. So, sulit. Okay.
If let's say at there is a point already that I feel like I want to quit my job na. And then I want to do full-time trading. Okay lang ba yun?
O
Or
naman.
when would I know na okay na ako?
Oh, again, it's okay to be a full-time trader. It's okay also to combine both. Pero, if you've been following the videos, I like people to have multiple streams of income. Meaning, may trabaho ka, may income ka doon, tapos may trading ka, may income ka doon. Kung kaya mo pagsabayin, okay lang. Pero when it comes to a point already that yung trabaho mo is something that's taking away your time from your investments or trading, that's when you can probably consider it. That's one. Number two is, I've seen a lot of people na gusto naman talaga nila yung trabaho nila. If you like your job, sayang kasi if you notice it from our sessions, it only takes a few seconds and minutes to execute it. So you can do it in parallel to your job. So if you hate your job, do you hate your job?
No, I love my job.
So you love your job. So why mangyayari doon? You will quit and then you will try to do other things. Baka hindi mo rin masyado gusto or hindi ka magaling doon. So sayang. So you can do your job and stocks in parallel. Pero maganda doon is this. If your investments are doing well, you're not anymore working just because you need to, but you're working because you want to. Something like that. So
Like what you do?
like what you did. Do what you love.
Okay.
Do what you love, because when you do what you love, you will never work a single day in your life. Tapos, eto pa. As you start doing it, hindi lang dapat dumating sa point na you're sagabal siya, pero dapat sagabal siya na kumikita ka rin sa stocks. It doesn't mean na you're earning higher lagi or consistently. It means that may potential siya to earn. So, kung may potential siya to earn, pwede na as long as you have how much cash do you have and how much other investments that you have na. If walang pumasok, you will survive. So, if you can last for 10 years, even better. Ganun lang. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
That's it?
Yes, that's it for now.
Okay, by the way, what do you do?
I am from sales and marketing.
Okay, what else? Why do you want to invest in the stock market?
For retirement talaga, I want to focus to have passive income and at the same time for basically for retirement.
Okay, galing. So that's it. Encouragement to people who are not yet investing.
You really should actually know first the fundamentals. Doon ako nagkamali. So, do the fundamentals first and then see saan ka magaling. I mean, saan yung heart mo? You want to do position trading or quick trading? Mafe-feel mo naman yun eh.
Okay, so galing. That's it. So, I hope her questions or something also that I guess helped you for whatever things you want to learn about the market. So, that's it. Bye everyone. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart.
Bye.
Bye.